Hey, do you want this new shaker and twitch effect? First, get your clips ready with zooms. Now, create an adjustment layer and search for as shake. Enable motion blur and follow my settings. Easy is the keyframes by pressing F9 and copy my grab. Now, create another adjustment layer and add the twitch effect. Click enable and follow my settings. Again, easy use the keyframes and copy my graph. Drag the twitch layer below the shake layer. Now, search for exposure and add it to your shake layer. You can keep the exposure value between 0.5 and 1 depending on how strong you want it. Duplicate both adjustment layers and drag them onto all your clips. Now, for the wiggle effect, create another adjustment layer above all your clips and add shake. And that's it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and thank you for watching.